I wonder at this tiny infant who cries, and its mother gives it milk. If it should think, what profit is there in crying? What is it that causes milk to come? Then it would not receive any milk. But we see that it receives milk because of its crying. How should the infant know the effect his cries have upon hearts? So weep, even if you do not know the result. The everlasting gardens and rivers of paradise will be born from your tears. Whether he runs or walks, in the end, seeker will find. Occupy yourself totally with seeking, for seeking is a good guide upon the path. Every hungry man finds food in the end. The sun of good fortune will shine down upon him. Look not at your own beautiful or ugly form. Look at love and the object of your search. Look not at your own vileness and weakness. Look at your aspiration, O noble man. In whatever state you may be, seek. Seek water constantly, O man of dry lips. For your dry lips give witness that in the end you will find a fountain. The lips' dryness is a message from the water. If you keep on moving about, without doubt, you will find me. Seeking is a blessed movement. Seeking kills obstacles on the way to God. Seeking is the key to your objects of desire. It is your army and the victory of your banners. Whether you are pure or impure, flee not, for nearness to Him increases purity. Whatever you possess, were you not once seeking it? Your searches alert you and give you good news. Act such that your seeking may increase. He who plants a great deal may hope for a bountiful harvest. If you are a believer, then enter the line of battle. A feast has been prepared for you in heaven. Shed tears and burn in your seeking all night like a candle beheaded by flames. Shut your lips to food and drink. Hurry to the table of heaven.